Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie. Today, you guys, it is October's Ice Cream Beauty. I just got it. It's late this month for me, you guys, very late, but what happens is I subscribe quarterly, and when my renewal comes up for another 3 months, they literally wait until the day it's supposed to ship. Then they check the renewal box, they automatically renew it, and then it ships like days later. So I've asked them to change the date. They haven't been able to do it. I don't know. I either would have to cancel for a month and then resubscribe. I don't know. It is what it is. But I'm excited to get it because, you guys, it has been a very, very, very fun box. One of my more favorite subscriptions. I really enjoy this. It's a lot of makeup. Every now and then they put something sort of skincare related in there. I hope they don't really start cranking too much skincare, because one of the reasons I like this box, even though it's not necessarily like high-end makeup, it is makeup. So let's see what we got in our little ice cream. I almost said Glossy Box, you guys. I resubscribed recently to Glossy Box, and I just posted that video. Check it out, you guys. Honestly, okay. Ice cream, though. Ice cream's always good. Oh, come on. I think I dropped the thing. Yep. Hold on. Because I always drop something. I dropped the little cheat sheet. I didn't want to like not have the cheat sheet. So it looks super cute already. The October theme is a Season of the Witch, of course. And 5 items in here. Let's just see what we got. You always get a palette, you guys. I'm going to put that a little bit to the side. We're going to do that one last. Ooh. Let's do this one first. This is EYESCREAM set of 3 lipsticks, nourishing lipsticks, enriched with jojoba oil and cherry extract. Ooh. So, where is this? $24. It says this is from the Beauty's Crops Cherry Lip Trio. $24. See if it says anything in the back. It says Cherry lipstick is a weightless moisture matte lipstick that delivers a rich in color formulation with a unique super hydrating core enriched with cherry extract and jojoba oil to keep your lips conditioned and nourished all day, which is great, you guys. It has gotten really dry out, and my skin is reacting terribly to how dry it is. It says this instantly melts in your lips with its lightweight and buildable formula, providing your lips with a soft, focused, ultimate kiss of color. This set of 3 delicious lipsticks, shades Rouge, Nude, and Rose. I don't know if they're my colors. I'm not sure, you guys. I'm not really sure I would reach for those. I do see the Leaping Bunny. These are cruelty-free, which is wonderful. Beauty Crop, of course, is a UK brand. However, these are made in China, just so you know. Okay, nice start. There's another little something here. Mirabella's Blackout Blackmail Eye Crayon. So this is $20 according to the little cheat sheet. Get my little tool out. Let's take a lookie. Oh, it's a crayon. It's kind of metallic. It's kind of pretty. A Blackmail Eye Crayon. So it's very metallic-y on the cap. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, she's definitely a black eye crayon. I'm going to have to think about whether I want to keep that. Fat crayons like this do not work well for me. I make a mess. I make a mess. But yeah, I will think about that. You guys, all my black liquid eyeliners are starting to dry out. And so I'm suddenly finding myself kind of running out of black liquid eyeliners. It's shocking. Clearly, I've given away so many of them, and the ones I have in use in my little stash are suddenly drying out. This looks really cool. Is this nail polish? What is this? No, I'm sure it's not. Ooh, these are from the Beauty Crop also. These are their Cocoa Glow Illuminating Drops, $19. You mix a small amount of these into your foundation. 19 bucks. Let's take a lookie. Ooh, she is sealed. She's sealed on both ends. She is. All right, I'm going to have to break the tape. Okay, this is what it looks like. Kind of just plain looking. It is shrink wrapped. So these are usually just something you put a couple drops in with your liquid foundation. That's interesting. Really hard to read, really tiny text. Just the Cocoa Glow Illuminating Drops. Okay, everything else, you guys, is so tiny on transparent, and my lighting in here, I don't know that I'm gonna be able to read it. It says a soft shimmer dry oil for the face and body. I got to kind of manipulate the shimmer from the light. Suitable for all skin types. The plant-based fast-drying formula is super hydrating and nourishing, and all absorbs into the skin, leaving healthy looking glow without a greasy finish. Yeah, okay, well, I don't wear foundation, you guys. What I do wear is my tinted SPF with then a tinted BB SPF cream. So maybe I will use those. I don't know. All right, then we have, it looks like some sort of eye tool. So what is it? It's a foundation brush from Paris Tools, $30. And it's got a little cover on it. So we've gotten foundation brushes like this before. Very nice. Not something I technically grab, you guys. My brush that I use is pretty much like right where I like it. It's a Hank & Henry one I use. Been happy with it, but this is really nice. It's got like a little caddy in it you just pull out. So it's got a little cover on it to keep the bristles, you know, clean. That's really nice. Would I spend $30 on that? I don't think so. For one brush. I mean, it doesn't say that it's natural hair. If you're going to spend $30 on a brush, I would hope it would be natural hair. I'm going to pull it out, show you guys. So a little cover, a little caddy. Is it stuck? Is it there? That's what it looks like. It just slides in here. Kind of snaps in. Not going to touch the bristles. If I don't want to keep it, I would definitely put that in my little pile of giveaway items. Which I probably will. You know, honestly, don't foresee me. I just don't know that I would use this. I'm really happy with the one I'm using. So, okay, so then we've got these. And yes, I am saving one more item. And then we have the black crayon, which is great. I'm just not sure. I don't do well with those fat crayons. We got the lippies. I know I'm not going to keep these. You guys, not my shades enough. I just don't foresee me grabbing these shades. So I may keep those for a giveaway. They may go to a friend or a family member. And we've got the palette, you guys. We've got the eyeshadow palette. Taking all my little packing peanuts here away. So this is, where is it? It's from Dido Cosmetics, or Dido, D-I-T-O Cosmetics. The Hera eyeshadow palette, $30. Okay, so it's in a little like sleeve, plasticky sleeve. I apologize, you guys. Gonna have a little reflection. It looks like it's 16 shades because there's a little cheat sheet on the back. So it is also got a little safety sticker on it, holding it in, which I'm gonna, even if I don't keep it, you guys, I'm gonna try to be safe and gentle with this. I don't destroy anything. It is, on both sides. So let's see if we can just loosen the palette from this. I appreciate that the, you know, got a little safety seal to some extent on that. So I'm just gonna take those off. Okay, so without the shine, I do see the leaping bunny on here. So let's see, it is made in China. So formulated or designed or whatever in California, but made in China. A lot of stuff's made in China, you guys. Oh, it does have not only the shade saver, but it does have a mirror. Here's my shade saver. I'm going to use the lippies, you guys, just to cover the reflection in the mirror. It's really pretty. A lot of mattes and a lot of shimmers and glitters. So really colorful. Wow. Really, really, really pretty. Very pretty palette. Lots of pretty colors. I'm more attracted to like the plum colors that kind of are down the side here. Not enough, you guys. This is a miss for me. It's just colors I will not wear. So there's no reason for me to swatch it. I'm gonna go ahead. This is gonna go into a pile for giveaway, you guys, for sure. I don't foresee me ever picking this palette up and using it. I will tell you the Shade Saver does have some makeup debris on it, but I don't see any like boogered up shades, so that's good. It's just got the typical little bit of shadow dust from packaging. So very nice. I appreciate getting a palette in every single box, you guys. That is why one reason why this is literally such a fun box. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. I'm seriously got an itchy nose, but such a fun box. You always get at least one palette, and even if I don't keep them, it's a great opportunity if I wanted to. So, all right, you guys, pretty quick, right? We got the palette. So again, this palette is $30. We got the lippies, and these were $24 for the trio. We got this set of drops, $19, this Beauty Crop. We got the black Mirabella crayon, big fat black eyeliner. Let's see, that was $20. And then, excuse me, a brush here, which I kind of feel is a little bit overpriced. It is $30. It is the Paris Tools foundation brush. I'm sure it's really nice, but honestly, you guys, like, it kind of has that feel of like a toothbrush here, real thin. I don't know. I mean, it looks like a nice brush. I just don't foresee myself using it, so that's going to go into a giveaway. But another really great month, I thought. What do you guys think? Honestly, I can't say that ice cream really disappoints. You're not going to get the super high-end stuff that you can occasionally get in the BoxyCharm, the made for BoxyCharm palettes and stuff. They do. BoxyCharm does go with, talks a lot of brands into making like made for them palettes and stuff, and they're from higher end stuff, which is really great. But I don't have a problem with this box at all, you guys. It's a lot of fun. It's actually something I look forward to every month. I really enjoy it. It's $25 shipped to me every month. I'm really happy with it. I don't foresee myself anytime in the near future getting rid of it. Never say never, but I have no reason to get rid of it right now. So I do have a referral link down below, you guys. If you use that, I think we each get some points. I'll put that information down below. But yeah, let me know. Again, Season of the Witch was the theme for this month. 2 more months in the year, and then we start a new year. So, all right. Thanks, guys. Have a great one. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everybody.